Today we're looking at changing the share settings for folders that you are sharing with me. So in order to do that, you click on the three dots if this is the folder you want to share with me. And under share, don't just copy the link, go to share first, because the default is restricted, and that means that I cannot view it. So you have to go and change it to anyone with the link, and then copy the link. Say done. But rather than doing that to every single one of these, it's actually easier to go to the folder that all of those are in. That's called the parent folder. Go to the parent folder and change the share settings for the parent folder. Once that is changed to anybody with the link, then everything inside that folder is also changed. So that is what you have to do. And then when you go to an assignment to turn into me, you paste that link that you just already did a copy of, and then hit the return key. And then notice it changed into a blue link. That makes it a live link. If you do not hit return, then I have to try to copy and paste it myself, and sometimes that doesn't work well through Canvas. That is how you change your share settings so that I can grade your work.